during crazy rallies or great defensive plays. Right? Oh. Everybody, it's funny because on stadium court, you always hear the increase of volume with every dig, right? And that, like, the endorphins that come being on center court when everybody in the stands is just starting to scream a little bit louder, oh, 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 and it's like, how high pitched can the audience get, you know? But when that happens, that gets everybody more excited, especially the people on the court. You get so fired up, and you're like, yes, yes, yes. And like, you start saying it faster, even in your mind, you start saying it faster. Instead of every dig, every pass is a complete reset button. Your emotion has to reset, your heart rate should reset, your breathing, and the speed of your body, the speed of your steps. But most players let the excitement of that dig, and especially repeated digs, makes them go faster and faster and faster and faster. So when you get a dig, the first thing you should do, and this might sound crazy to me, is stand up. Don't dig and approach. Don't dig and want to hit. Dig and stand up. Breathe. Figure out how to control your timing on the next ball. But everybody just digs and like, now I hit. No. It's dig, stand up, or chill. Then start understanding timing. But you have to hit that reset button as soon as you get the dig, as soon as you get the pass, so that you can separate your dig and the excitement of the play from your attack. Because you make a great dig and then you're going to spoil it completely by just charging the net because you're so fired up and you think that the next step after dig is smash.